Hi guys and girlies, welcome to my channel. I'm Sam, issathiknation, your plus size fashion girlie. Today I'm coming to you with a video that is a classic on this channel. I actually started my channel with a DIY and I was doing a DIY of denim. So tonight I'm going out with my friends and I have been debating on an outfit literally throughout the day. So when I got home I had an idea to just do a DIY outfit, just make it a little bit funky, yeah, make it a little bit funky, make it a little bit fun. So it's been dramatic to get here. Nothing wrong with the basic outfit, a white top and blue jeans, we love it, but sometimes we need to spruce it up a little bit. And I am personally in my fashion girl era, so like I'm wanting to do something a little bit, you know what I mean? So here is a Pinterest mood board of what I'm thinking to do with the jeans and the basic white top. It's pretty simple. I wanted something that is simple. Literally, this is a 5 minute DIY. Let me show you the pieces that you need. So first up, obviously you need your vest. I got this one from Tesco, and the jeans, these are some old jeans from ASOS. And then you need some, obviously, the safety pins, needle, thread, scissors. The first thing that I did was I obviously outlined my jeans, but I thought I was gonna freehand it. Please, I don't even see straight lines. How am I gonna line a straight line? So I used up my Vogue magazine because that was the thing right there for me to do this. I cut the jeans synonymously, like together, and then after that I turned the jeans inside out and basically structured it out how it's looking on the video. I hand sew this, so what I would advise is you pinch a very small pinch and then you sew on that pinch if you're going to do this. When you will see when the jeans are done, it will give you a very seamless finish as so you won't be able to see the thread at all. And then I noticed that obviously it was not straight. Like I said, I can barely see a straight line if it stood next to me. So I then took my Vogue ruler and traced out the jeans. I feel like they came out perfect. And then the top, again, I was kind of losing direction as to how I actually want to do it, you know? So then I went back to where I started, which was Pinterest, and I typed up safety pin top. And a couple of inspos came that I saved for future videos, but I wanted to see what I can do with this one. And so I then mapped out the shape. Obviously I was using a white pencil, it was not going to show, but it was just so in my head that it shows. And then I cut out the piece and then basically stapled back together with the safety pins. I did go back and forth, like, because these safety pins were different sizes. I then decided to take scissors and make it a little bit distressed for fun, I guess. But this is the finished result. The inspiration was that the red brown would show through the cavities of the stapled parts, and also the jeans came out really nice, exactly how I pictured them. I did notice that they're not entirely straight, but it looks really cool. Obviously, we finished this a little later. I am so happy with the results. Like, I can't wait to actually style this when I'm going on a night out, which I'll post on my TikTok. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, I would highly advise you do, because you're going to see the outfit come to life there. I'm not going to lie to you, it didn't take 5 minutes. As you can see, like, now I have house lights on. I started at about 5 and it's 8. Yeah, so it took me 4 hours to do this, but partly because I was hand sewing the pants. So hand sewing the pieces together. I have got big thighs. Each single thigh took me a god long time, but I am very, very happy with the results. I hope you are too, and I hope you like them too, because I am obsessed. Top, I have linked these original pieces below, but this is where places like Vinted and stuff like that really become important, because you can buy second-hand clothing and turn it into something more interesting. That said, I do list some stuff on Vinted as well, which I have also put the link below. But I'm really excited, I'm really happy I did this video. Like, I'm back in my creative senses, and if you know me, you know, like, creativity is the bane of my life. And yeah, when you see this video, you'll probably see a vlog of that. So thank you for watching, I appreciate you.